Dear participants, dear fellow engineers, as President of WFEO, the World Federation of Engineering Organizations, I am pleased to express my heartfelt congratulations to the organizers of this Congress, especially our dear colleagues from the Institution of Engineers India. WFEO, the International Organization for the Engineering Profession, was founded in 1968 under the auspices of UNESCO and brings together national and international engineering institutions from some 100 nations and represents more than 30 million of engineers around the world. WFEO serves as the peak body of engineering organizations and represents our profession at the global level before the United Nations and other international and intergovernmental organizations. We also rely on our national and international members to foster regional cooperation to the benefit of their communities. WFEO sees high value in professional engineering institutions cooperation at a variety of levels and in as many fields of engineering as possible. All partnerships between national and regional engineering institutions enhance the global effort of engineers towards contributing to a better future and towards building a more sustainable world. According to estimated figures, the population of India will be largest in the world in the year 2030. India is one of the important countries in the world which is playing a vital role in several pertinent global issues. The Institution of Engineers India, having established in 1920, is the largest and oldest professional body in India, spreading over the entire country, and is a founding and a very important member of WFEO. I wish to take this opportunity to thank IEI for its continuous support to WFEO throughout recent years. IEI is well represented in the governance of WFEO. Currently, we have two past presidents of IEA, Engineers Ratore and Navin Vazoya, as members of WFEO Executive Council. And Ashok Basa, IEI past president, has been elected as the WFEO Executive Vice President for the period of 2021 to 2025. All these members of IEI are having a very active participation in WFEO. Indian engineers have achieved remarkable developments in science and technologies over the past years, and IEI has made a huge contribution to WFEO's activities during the past decade in successfully hosting the Committee on Engineering and Innovative Technologies and then the Committee on Information and Communication for the periods of 29 to 23, shared by the engineer Ratore. And I am glad to see that this committee will be hosting a session in this year's Congress on SDG 9, showing case an example of good practices that engineers can bring to the interlinked communication and transportation industries. This is a good case study of how our commitments can be brought to actions. In 2021, UNESCO published its second engineering report, which WFEO took a very important editorial part. The report acknowledged that engineering is critical to building more resilient societies, industries, and to successfully fight against climate change and adapt to its consequences. Those objectives are closely dependent on emerging technologies that will allow some substantial improvements in strategic fields such as decarbonized energies, resilient infrastructures, reducing disaster risks, and mitigating the climate change effects, and bringing quality education to all. These shall include government support as well as industrial vision and partnerships, as I am sure that you are building such synergies. Moreover, it is crucial that scientists and engineers work closely together in such a context that fosters cooperation and creativity. The UNESCO recommendation on open science, which was adopted in 2021, is now in its implementation phase. WFEO, together with the most prominent scientific federation and academies worldwide, is part of the Global Open Science Partnership that will help to serve this purpose. We also need more partnerships with our members to achieve our strategic objectives in the field of engineering education. As we have pointed out in our contributions to the UNESCO Engineering Report in 2021, it is crucial that more engineers with the right skills are trained in order to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These can be achieved only through more integrated graduation standards systems, for which we need national and regional partners to work with global institutions, such as WFEO, UNESCO, and the International Engineering Alliance, to implement those standards at the national level. In the same spirit, WFEO has launched this year a free training portal called WFEO Academy, which is open to all WFEO members and provides online courses for engineers' continuous professional development. I urge you to visit this website, share this information amongst your colleagues and institutions members, and encourage donations to the portal, which is, of course, a non-profit initiative. I wish all of you a fruitful Congress, and I'm looking very much forward to the outcomes. Thank you very much for your attention.